Okay, so we just did the 3 side, 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 1 triangle. What we're going to do is now we're going to use the 5-inch side. We're going to create a 50-degree angle, and we're going to use our 3-inch side. So we want to know if I can make a triangle with 2 given side lengths and a required angle length. So if you notice, I said 5 inches, 50 degrees, and 3 inches. Oops, you cannot see that. So if you notice, I have a side, angle, side, and I have to follow that. My side, 2 side lengths have to be on either side of my given angle. So if I look at this, I have my 5-inch. So I'm going to lay my 5-inch along here, and then I'm going to make a 50-degree angle. Okay, and I'm just going to slide that. Or actually, I'll just leave it. Okay, so if I look at this, assuming the other side length isn't given, so it could be any length we want. So if you notice, I can make this triangle right here. Can I make any other triangle? Is there any way that I can adjust these two without changing their length or their angle and create another triangle? Okay. Besides rotating it, I can't think of any way to make a different angle. So if we have a side, angle, side, so if we have side, angle, side, what we have is one triangle. So far we've seen that if you have a side, 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 let me erase this. So far what we've seen is if we had side, 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 that gave us one triangle. Side, angle, side gave us one triangle. Okay, let's try another thing. What if I gave you, still wet, what if I gave you 50 degrees, 5 inches, and 3 inches? Okay, so 50 degrees, 5 inches, 3 inches. So 50 degrees, here's my 3, here's my 5. So I have an angle. Okay, and I'm just going to use any of my pipe cleaners along the bottom. So 50 degrees. So I have, let's see, side, side. So this one has to be, this has to be forming, oh, you cannot see again. So this has to be forming, so here's my 5-inch side, here's my 3-inch side, and here is my 50-degree angle. So this side length technically can be whatever side length it wants to be. But if you notice, the only way I could get this to be a triangle is if I actually changed my angle. So it doesn't matter how short, or oops, that's still 50 degrees, or how long I make this, there is no way that that length is ever going to be long enough to create a triangle. So this is going to sound horrible, but if you notice, angle, side, side is not very good. So I'm going to write this as side, side angle, okay? So side, side angle right now gives us no triangles. Okay, well let's just adjust this. What if instead of doing my 5-inch and then 3-inch, I switched it so now it is 3 inches and 5 inches. Okay, so now I've got my 3-inch at the 50 degrees and my 5-inch. Okay, so right now again this third triangle side doesn't have a specific length. So if you notice, I can make it longer and I have a triangle. Okay, is there any way to create another triangle. Ooh. Okay, quite honestly, I do not see another way to draw another triangle without, again, messing up my angle here. Because if I shorten this side, this 5 is just too long. So we're going to add on here that really we have the same situation. We have 2 set sides and a set angle. And we actually were able to create one triangle. Okay, so then let's adjust this one more time. Let's do a 20-degree angle, 8 inches, and then 3 inches. So again, the only stipulation is I have 20 degrees, and after the 20 degrees are my 2 side lengths. So again, I'm going to use this one. I'm going to grab my trusty 8-inch. Okay, it's now 20 degrees, and I have my 3-inch. Okay, so if you notice, here is a triangle. It's a good looking triangle actually. But can I make another triangle? Let's see if we can make another triangle. What if, again, that has to say you're 20. If you notice, what if I made it this way? So there's one triangle, and then here's my second triangle. Interesting. So what do we notice? We notice in this triangle we have this acute angle right here, but if I make it my second option of a triangle, I have an obtuse angle. So I've got actually 2 different triangles I can make. One with an acute, or sorry, an obtuse, and one with an acute. And I haven't changed this angle at all. So not only can I have no triangles with side-side angle, I could have one triangle. I could also have 2 triangles. Okay? In the next video, we will actually look at how we solve to see if we have no triangles, 1 triangles, or 2 triangles. Okay, so watch the next video. It's going to be amazing.